Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all well and welcome to something a little bit different today. I brought you up to East Midlands Airport, my local airport, which is just situated just off junction 24 of the M1. Currently we are stood at the perimeter fence at the end of runway 27, as that is the active runway today. Quite a bit of a cold and damp day today, unfortunately, so I'm not sure what we're going to get. Got a few arrivals and departures over the next hour, so we'll see what we can capture. For those of you who are quite not familiar with East Midlands Airport, as I said, we are just off junction 24, operated by Manchester Airport Group, or MAG, which has a number of airports. Primary operators out of here, you've got your Jet2s, your Ryanairs and TUIs. Massive place for DHL and UPS, so we'll see what we can capture over the course of the next hour or so. But don't worry, I won't keep the camera rolling for a full hour. I'll only bring you the footage as the planes come and depart. Might move round to the other side of the airport later on, but we'll see what we can capture from here. Right, here we go everyone. First arrival of the day is the FR471 Ryanair 737 MAX 8200 from Murcia, call sign Ryanair 72 Juliet Whiskey. Time we're recording, this little baby's only a year old, so still a little baby in terms of grand scheme of things. Here she comes. Registration Echo India Hotel Alpha. Nice. And here we have our next arrival. It's another Ryanair. Quite a big destination for Ryanair, East Midlands is. This one though is operated by Buzz, as it says here, but it's in the Ryanair livery. Another MAX, 4 years old. Registration Sierra Papa Romeo Zulu Sierra Papa Romeo Zulu India. Flight number FR917, call sign Ryanair 429 Mike. And forgive me if I'm mispronouncing this, to have any Polish viewers, but it's coming from Włocław. Forgive me if I am mispronouncing that right. I cannot pronounce that to save my life. Here she comes. I don't know if you can see it, but just off to the left here, a little ATR 72 waiting to line up. Blue Island Airlines, I think that is. I think that's off to Jersey. And apologies about the weather, but the heavens have just opened up. I'm going to stay for one more arrival because there is something very special I want to share with you all. Right, remember when I said I had something special coming into land? Well, here it comes. Now, for those simmers amongst us are watching this video, I think East Midlands is really teasing us now, because this coming into land is a DHL 777 freighter. So I think East Midlands is really teasing us, because we know how eager we are for PMDG to release that product. This is coming from Cincinnati. So flight time is 6 hours and 53 minutes. Flight number is 385. I can't remember. This is the UK one. This is DHL UK. I can't remember their call sign. So I think the German arm is Postman. I can't remember the DHL one. Let's see her land. Oh, here she comes. I mean, just look, what a time to capture this bad boy. Oh, wow. So glad we were here for that. Hey everyone, welcome back. So As you can see now, we've moved around now to the opposite end of the airfield, which gives you better views of the ramp from here, I'd say. And it's definitely better for departures off the 27s. You can't really see much down there. I hope I got something though for you. It's nice to see the 777 land, which is, I'll just bring you back over here. As you can see, she's over there. She's having her cargo offloaded. The rear main deck door is open. We've also got the DHL ramp. Looks like a 7.5 and a 7.6, but there's not really much happening with them. They look like they're just parked up for a while. I was also hoping to maybe capture the new operator that comes in here now, new freight operator. One Air, they bring their 747-400 in now. They do operations out of here. I think it's gone to Muscat today, but I looked on Flight Radar and it's been cancelled today, so I don't know what's happened there. And as I speak, looks like we've got something coming into land now. We'll see if we can get a better shot. I don't think it's anything big. I think it's another ATR, which I think is an Aer Lingus from Belfast. It's just coming into land. I'm trying to get it, sorry about the camera work, I'm just trying to get it so we might see it. Don't know if it's going to come this far down the runway, because I think sometimes they can exit by taxiway Sierra, which is a high speed exit. But most of your 737s usually come further down to pretty much where I am now and exit by taxiway Mike 1. So apologies if you can't see it. I think if I'm going to do these videos on a more regular basis, I think I might have to invest in a camera. Sorry, in a better camera, should I say. Oh, she looks a bit... she's down, but I think the wind looked a bit stable there, to be honest. And you can tell by the windsock as well, I don't know if you can see it, I'm actually surprised it's still landing on 27, because that looked like it had a bit of a tailwind. Surprised how it moved on to the 09 departures. Sorry, I tried runway 09. But mind you, I say, you can see by the windsock there, it's pretty much blowing direct crosswind. So, yeah, let's see what happens with that. Oh no, she's come down a bit further. She's gone past Sierra. Looks like she's going to come off at Mike. I don't know if you can see it there. She's just past the windsock now. I know I said, going to go back to flight sim again, I know I said I was going to hopefully bring you some ATR flying, but for the love of God, I cannot get on with that aircraft. I don't know if it's just me, if anyone else is having issues with it, I'll continue doing the updates, but I just can't get comfortable with it. I don't know how other streamers do it when they seem so comfortable with the aircraft. But unfortunately, I'll keep going to go at it, because it is a little interesting bird to do hops with, but I just cannot, for the love, get on with that Asobo ATR. Video. Alright everyone, not sure you'll be able to see it, so I'll put it up on the flight radar. You can see now we have two Ryanairs just going along taxiway Alpha. One is going to Malaga. Reg is Echo India, Echo Foxtrot Juliet. Ryanair for Papa Kilo, FR4468. And right behind that, we have one of the Maxes going off. I think we saw this one arrive from Murcia. This one's off to Knock in Ireland. FR21 Tango Bravo. Sorry, Ryanair 21 Tango Bravo, FR1742. So, okay, here comes the first Ryanair off to Malaga. Did I say Malaga? Yeah, Malaga, sorry. I'm getting confused with the Jet2 one. Here she comes. Just gone behind the tree line there. And here comes the second one. The Boeing 737 MAX 8 200 off to Knock. Don't know if it's just me, but the engines on the MAX seem to be louder than the CFMs on the NGs. Whereas if you compare them to Airbus, compared to the CEOs to the NEOs, I think the NEOs are quieter. But then again, I don't know if that's just me. Safe flight to knock everyone on that one. Okay everyone, we have another departure just creeping out. I actually kind of missed really. It's the Ryanair 68 Sierra Lima FR9016 back to Wrocław. My apologies if again to my Polish viewers who I have mispronounced that. Again, it's one of those ones I can never pronounce right, but it's on its way now, as you can see on the screen. And we'll wait for that little beauty to take off. It's the Max again. Apologies, it seems to be mostly Ryanair's today. I was hoping to go up here and capture a bit more variety. So we've got the ATR 72 to come out, the Aer Lingus one, and then a Jet2. But aside from the DHL, it's been mostly Ryanair's. So I think I'm going to have to get myself down to Birmingham and up to Manchester to maybe catch some more variety of traffic. So we'll wait for this one to take off. Okay, here we go again. Here comes another Ryanair 737 MAX 8 200 series. Here she comes, just rotating now. You'll see her in a second. There goes another MAX 8 200 series Ryanair. Back to Wrocław, if I'm pronouncing that right. I'm sorry if I'm not. You can tell that one's lighter. Didn't disappear behind the tree line as quickly as the other two. Okay, everyone. Now you know how I said I apologised for the lack of variety of traffic because we're mostly Ryanair, so we had the DHL. Well, this little thing's just cropped up on flight radar. The M28 Skytruck. German registration, Delta Charlie Papa Delta Alpha. So this will be an interesting little one to see take off. Wasn't on flight radar, so I don't know if this is something that's just come on the last minute, but we'll see this little beauty take off. Something different there. Hopefully you can see it now. The M28 Skytruck just departed. Smaller than I thought it looked on its picture, and then going by name you thought it'd be bigger than that. Okay, another departure we have now is this Jet2 737-800, registration Golf Delta Romeo Tango Mike. Call sign is Shanx 5 Juliet Alpha. For some reason it's not giving us the LS number. It's interesting. Alright, here she comes. Shanx 5 Juliet Alpha to Malaga. Okay, and another departure we have coming out now, also this all seems to be departures now, not many arrivals, is this Aer Lingus Regional, operated by Emerald Airlines UK, off to Belfast. Little ATR 76 there. I thought it was a 72, but it's not, it's actually a 76. Call sign EAG, is that Eagle? Is that the call sign Eagle? 18 Golf. And here comes the little ATR. For all the problems in the sim, they still do look lovely little aircraft, don't they? off she goes to Belfast. Right, okay everyone, I think we'll call it a day there. As you can see, there's not much more going on around now. There's just the one Jet2 on Ryanair, a couple of DHLs in, but there's nothing really going out now for a while. And there's nothing really I can see on the arrivals board either. My apologies about the wind if my mic is picking that up. But let me know what you thought of this video. As I said, I might consider doing this on a more regular occurrence if I can get a better camera, and if you have enjoyed the video. As I always say, if you do want more flight sim content, or even say some what I'm going to call the spotting content now, please do consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It's always greatly appreciated. And thanks to everyone who has already subscribed to the channel. Your support is absolutely appreciated. You guys are absolute legends. Right, well, I'll try and get a full flight video out to you this week. I'm not promising because I want to get this one out to you first, and then we'll see where we go from there. Right, but until next time, take care of yourself. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll speak to you all in the next one. Goodbye for now.